Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove complex background using Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added the image that needs to remove complex background. First, unlock the background layer by clicking on the lock toggle. Then, go to the Channels panel and select the blue channel. Duplicate it by dragging it onto the plus sign under the Channels layer panel. Now, go to the Image option on the menu bar and select Adjustment, then choose Levels. Adjust the sliders as follows. The goal is to move the sliders accordingly to make the area that we want to keep as dark as possible. Then, click OK. After that, click on the select icon under the layer panel to create a selection. Now, delete the duplicated channel and click on the layer panel. Then, go to the Select option on the menu bar and choose Inverse. Finally, click on the Add Vector Mask icon under the layer panel, and you will have achieved the desired complex background removal. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.